Get ready for an epic college journey. 5 tips and tricks for a successful first year. Greetings, college students and proud parents or guardians. Are you ready for the most exhilarating chapter of your lives? Get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey as we dive into 5 incredible tips and tricks to make your first year of college a resounding success. Tip number 1. Create a supportive environment. Setting yourself up for success starts with creating a supportive environment early on. Surround yourself with positive energy, motivated individuals, and resources available on campus. Trust me, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve when you're in the right atmosphere. Tip number 2. Utilize campus resources. Your university is a treasure trove of invaluable resources just waiting to be discovered. Find the perfect study spot that resonates with your style, whether it's a cozy library nook or a vibrant coffee shop. And don't forget about time management tools and apps that can help you stay organized and on top of your game. Tip number 3. Get involved. College isn't just about hitting the books. It's an opportunity to explore new passions, interests, and hobbies. Join clubs and activities that align with your interests and values. Whether it's a sports team, a theater group, or an environmental society, getting involved will not only enhance your college experience but also help you create lifelong friendships. Tip number 4. Develop a support system. College can be challenging at times, but remember, you're never alone. Surround yourself with a support system that understands your journey and encourages your growth. Seek out mentors, professors, and fellow students who inspire you and share your goals. Together, you'll conquer any hurdle that comes your way. Tip number 5. Practice self-care. Amidst the hustle and bustle of college life, it's crucial to prioritize self-care. Take time for yourself, whether it's through prayer, meditation, exercise, or simply enjoying a peaceful walk on campus. Happy and healthy minds can help to fuel academic success. So, there you have it, future college students and proud parents or guardians. The stage is set, and the path to an epic college journey awaits. By following these 5 fantastic tips and tricks, you'll be well prepared to conquer your first year and make memories that will last a lifetime. Good luck, and remember, the best is yet to come. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with any tips you have for a successful first year. Thank you.